Don't break my car! You already broke my camera.
Oh, wait a minute.
I'm just kidding. You
What is he doing?
He's taking your gas.
Yeah, he is.
That is so not cool.
Now we can't leave.
Oh, we can leave.
Well, the gas is open.
That doesn't matter.
Well, then you'll lose gas. Redo the gas.
Hold on.
Damn it.
Look, as soon as you put it back on. Wait. Now. Yeah, open it again. Okay, you gotta put the gas on. You gotta put the gas on.